All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are in a different garage today. I am not at home, but I am on a work trip, actually, to be honest with you. And I rented out this little small, I think it's a 3-bedroom townhouse, only because it had a garage and I had some videos to film. But it is after work right now and it's about to get dark. It's only about 5:30. A few things in the mail. So I have 2 of them here. I'm waiting for 1 more. And this is going to be, I think I got the right box. I hope I do. This is gonna be for the engine bay. And what's great about this is I don't even think you need much tools for it. So I'm just gonna get this unboxed. This is gonna be a real short video, by the way. So I'm gonna unbox this, install it for you. And yeah, overall, I think it's gonna make the engine bay look really good. I'm gonna be honest with you, it feels weird doing a video in someone else's garage, but it's just an Airbnb. So, I mean, I paid for it, so I should be able to use it as I please. Hopefully I'm not violating any rules. But this is coming to you from Subispeed, so if you're interested in something like this, or you like carbon fiber, then go ahead and check out the link in the description below. Yes, I don't want to say what it is because I want to take it out the box and next thing you know, it's the wrong part. But what's in the box? Of course, very well packaged, and not only that, first off, let me just open this. I see double-sided tape. Why would I need double-sided tape for this? I'm not sure why. So I'm trying to do this quick. The sun's going down. There's no lights in this garage, so I don't know. Double-sided tape. Let's see the quality here. Do you guys see any defects? Because right off the bat, I don't see anything. This is clean. I'm not gonna lie to you. I saw this on their website, and you know what, I said to myself, I had to have it. And it sure looks a lot better than this, I don't know, faux carpet, whatever you call it. Now, previously, for you longtime subscribers, you guys know I had the Shrouds from Perrin, but I took those out, and I don't know, it was just a little bit too much yellow. Nothing against it, I really like it, but I think the neon yellow is just getting a little out of hand. But I don't see any instructions in the box, but right now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm really impressed with the quality. Wow. Oh, this is cool. So normally you would just take your OEM pop clips and you would install it here, and that's it. Wow. Unfortunately on mine, since I had the Perrin Shrouds, mine comes with rib nuts, but I don't think it's gonna be a problem with this. Now on my particular car, I'm gonna have these Allen bolts on here only because for you longtime subscribers, you guys know that I had the Perrin Fender Shrouds installed. So, and I have rib nuts in there, but for most of you guys are gonna be using the pop clips. And really all you need for this install is a flathead. Just really sucks that I'm not home in my own garage doing this. But I do feel fortunate that, you know, I'm running a place that has a garage. So that's just a bonus. The little Airbnb things, you know, sometimes you can rent a whole house cheaper than you can a hotel. So instead of just renting a room at some rinky-dink, you know, Motel 6, this, a little bit cheaper to be honest with you. So this just comes out just like that. That you can throw away or do whatever you want with it. And time to install the new one. Once I get home, I'm gonna ceramic coat these things, as you guys know I normally do. Oh, by the way, I do have another product, actually 2 more products that I gotta show you guys. Yes. I don't know if it's gonna be in this video, since this video was a really quick one, or it might be in the next video, in a separate video, I don't know, we'll see. For you guys, for you longtime subscribers, you know, I can't thank you guys enough. I try to reply to every single comment that you guys post on there. Sometimes it's just hard. I hardly even get to watch YouTube anymore or anything, only because I'm just so busy, you know, trying to learn this new job, studying for this new job. So, you know, YouTube or any kind of entertainment has to take, you know, a back seat. Look at that fitment. God, that just fits so well. I'm gonna be perfectly honest with you, they did a good job on this. And this piece, I mean, just look at the difference, man, you know? This cardboard, whatever. We'll throw that out. But yeah, it really does give the engine bay a nice clean look. So there it is. Oh, let me step back a little bit so you guys can get a full view of the engine bay. So there it is, driver side, passenger side. So in theory, these vents right here are supposed to provide cooling to help vent hot air out into the fenders. But to be honest with you, I think it's really just there for aesthetics, and I really do like it regardless. So in conclusion, I don't see any defects on these. Perfect fitment whatsoever. Let me get you guys a little closer. As you guys can see, it hugs the fender very, very well, and it goes right under the fender on this part right here. Same thing with the other side. No issues with the quality or the fitment whatsoever. Let me just run my hand along there. And overall, I think this is a great addition to your engine bay to make your engine bay pop. Now, if you have more carbon fiber pieces, even better. I'm looking to get some titanium pieces in the engine bay. Hopefully that will be soon, but who knows. So, just to give you guys an update, performance parts, I don't know if I told you guys this already, they're gonna be on hold till about spring or summertime. What I'm trying to do is get all of the parts so I can tune it all at once, instead of just getting one part, getting it tuned, installing another part, and then getting it tuned. But that's a whole nother subject, whole nother video. But overall, as far as these Fender shrouds go, overall, I really love it. I can't complain. If you guys are interested in this product, check out the links in the description below. I got this on Subispeed, super fast shipping. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think. Please post a comment down in the comment section below. I really do appreciate it, good or bad. And that's about it for this video. So talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.
Red light camera.
That's the best exhaust out there.
Yeah, it's just that blank space right there.
They sell, I think Subispeed sells like a block off thing.
Yeah, they do, but
Work into that.
Yeah, it sat in a garage for like a year and a half, pretty much. The engine had to get replaced. It caught on fire.
Oh wow.
And then I did the kit at the same time I swapped the motor in. So it like was in the shop and in the garage for like a year and a half straight.
Really?
oh shit.
Just take whatever. There's WMs at the bottom. There's.
Oh really?
If you don't want someone else's fucking
I'll
car.
sport it. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, is it black? Cool.
But yeah, they're flippy.
Oh shit, there you go. Right. Thanks, bro. All right, man. See you, bro.
Hey, good to see you, bro.
All right, man. See you.
See you later soon, all right?
Soon, call me up, man. Next weekend or something.